Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for math effectively. To truly master math, you must actively engage with the material. Don't just passively read examples. Grab a pen and paper and work through problems yourself. Consistent, focused practice, even for just 30 minutes each day, builds strong foundational skills. Focus on understanding the why behind each concept, not just memorizing steps. Consistent practice is key. Don't just do the easy problems. Tackle a wide range of exercises from your textbook, online resources, or past exams. When you make a mistake, don't just correct it. Analyze why you got it wrong. This deep dive into errors helps prevent repeating them. Gradually increase the difficulty to strengthen your problem-solving abilities. Focus on truly grasping the core concepts. If a topic feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller, more digestible pieces. Try explaining a concept out loud to an imaginary audience or a friend. This process often reveals gaps in your understanding. Always try to connect new information to what you already know, building a robust mental framework. Don't hesitate to seek help when you're stuck. Asking questions in class, reaching out to a tutor, or exploring online tutorials can provide clarity. Remember, everyone faces challenges, and getting assistance is a sign of strength. Finally, regularly review older material. This reinforces your knowledge and ensures you retain what you've learned over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.